How to improve your chances of IVF success. There are several factors that can affect the success in IVF, and specific steps you can take to improve your chances would depend on your individual situation. Some general tips for increasing your chances of success with IVF include: 1. Optimizing your overall health. Maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet and being well informed about the treatment will help you reduce your stress levels. These can all improve your chances of successful IVF. 2. Choosing an experienced fertility clinic. The success rates of different fertility clinics vary, so it's important to choose one with a good track record. Find the clinic which does only blastocyst transfer, and provide photos of embryos to all their patients. 3. Timing your treatment. Your fertility specialist will be able to advise you on the best time to undergo IVF based on your individual situation. Don't wait until you're too old, because egg quality declines with age, and poor ovarian reserve is the most common reason for IVF failure today, even when done in a good clinic. 4. Sticking to the treatment plan. It's important to follow your fertility specialist's instructions and attend all scheduled appointments to increase your chances of success. It's also worth keeping in mind that it is not always successful, and you may need to try more than once to achieve a successful pregnancy. It can be helpful to discuss your options and expectations with your fertility specialist. Need help getting pregnant? We provide a free second opinion for all infertility issues. Visit our website at www.drmalpani.com to know more.